The Heartlands Backpack is what I like to call a choose your own adventure pattern. I've added 3 different options to the pattern instructions and into the video for different features of the backpack that you can either omit or add to your sling backpack depending on what features you like and also how quick of a sew you would like this pattern to be. If you need a last minute gift or you're making some for craft fairs, you may decide to make the backpack without any of the 3 options, but again, it's your adventure and totally up to you. So let me show you some of the features and options of the backpack. Okay, so let me talk about the different options first, and then I'll show you the rest of the inside and the outside of the backpack. So option A is this 3-dimensional portion on the front of the bag. Option B is a vertical zipper pocket on the front. So you can add option B whether you have option A or not. If you don't have option A, it'll just be in this main portion in the front of the portion of the backpack. And then option C is a vertical zipper on the back of the backpack. I've gotten feedback for backpacks in particular that people are wanting to see some form of a zipper pocket on the back, which will be against the wearer's back for some extra safety for either a wallet or a cell phone. And so these 3 options are clearly laid out in the instructions and in the video. So you can choose which to add or which to omit. There's an adjustable sling style strap made of, you can either use webbing or seatbelt webbing. And there are D-rings on each bottom corner of the backpack so that you can swap the swivel clip to either D-ring depending on which side of the body the wearer will be using the backpack. Okay, let me show you what some of the insides look like. So here's the option B vertical zipper pocket. This is fully finished on the inside, no binding. And this is the option A. This is the 3-dimensional pocket, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And then the main portion of the bag, so if you're not using any of the options A, B, or C, the front of your backpack will be this main portion. And there is a zipper pocket on this side. And then I wanted this bag to have structure, especially against the wearer's back. And so there is binding only on this back portion of the backpack. I kind of consider binding in some cases to be almost the skeleton or the added structure of the bag. And so that's why I wanted to have binding on just the back portion. But this bag is made with either polythermolam or fusible fleece. So it's a nice less structured interfacing for the backpack. I wanted something that you could put into a suitcase and kind of fold flat, thinking about if you're taking it with you on your travels. And so this pattern has a lot to love, especially with all of the different features, and you can either make it more of an intermediate style skill level by adding all the features, or if you wanted a more basic or a beginner friendly sling backpack, you can omit the different options and just go with the base portion of the backpack, and it's still a beautiful finish and a fun sew. The Heartland Backpack is a PDF pattern that includes full color step-by-step instructions, and the full length instructional video is 2 hours and 43 minutes long.